Welcome to the first lecture of the week. We're going to be talking about alcoholism and alcohol abuse. I broke it up into two parts just because it was a lot of information, so didn't want to be spending too much time or have the class in class for too long, because we all know how much they like PE. So chapter 12, lesson 4. Okay, alcoholism is a progressive chronic disease involving a mental and physical need for alcohol. Alcoholism affects all parts of the health triangle, okay? The physical, mental, emotional, and social. And we talked about this a little bit in class. It affects the physical in that your body, if you drink too much, it starts to, like, the liver starts to, not work properly. If you decide that you're going to quit or you're going to stop right away, it could, your body reacts. So remember, too much of anything is not good, okay? 14 million Americans, mental, emotional. Sometimes people don't know what's going on when they're drinking too much. People react differently, okay? You don't remember things, so that's how it could affect you mentally and emotionally. And socially, you could be like it said, like in the last lecture, you could be a happy drunk, nice drunk, or you could be an aggressive and violent drunk. Okay, so it all depends, especially if you are relying too much on alcohol. In the next lecture, we'll be talking about how people that rely only on alcohol start to push away from family and friends. Okay, 14 million Americans are alcoholics or have an alcohol abuse problem, and that number could be higher today. So imagine it could be more, especially with a lot of things that are going on, loss of jobs, the pandemic, things like that. A lot of people could have developed an issue with alcohol. 5 major symptoms of alcoholism. You're going to want to know this, okay? The first one is denial. The person has a hard time believing they have a problem. Okay. Craving. The person has a strong need to drink. Okay. Loss of control. The person is unable to limit their drinking. Tolerance. Tolerance is a process in which your body needs more and more of the substance to get the same effect. Okay, so as your body becomes used to what you're drinking, it's not going to have much of an effect. So you're going to need to drink more so that your body has that same effect. Okay, physical dependence. Excuse me, let me move myself here. Physical dependence is a type of addiction where the body feels a direct need for a substance. Okay, in other words, if someone stops using, their body sweats, shakes, or you could experience anxiety. So, like I was mentioning earlier, if your body becomes used to you drinking and needs alcohol, it's gonna react. Okay, because it's not getting what it's used to getting. So just kind of like when you work out, if you work out regularly and then you kind of stop for a while and then you start up again, your body gets super sore because it's not used to all that working out. Same way. Okay. But working out is a lot better and a lot healthier, a lot better for your body than being addicted to a substance. Okay. So yeah, so if you were to quit, just like I said, if you were to quit right away, you are not, I mean, your body's going to react in a really big way, because it feels like, because it knows it's missing something, and it needs that. Okay, this is all I have for today. Please make sure that you are watching the lectures, that you're taking the notes, and yeah, I'll have the next lecture up tomorrow.